We're at Guilford Avenue and East Monument Street, and we're presently installing 30-inch main. The gas main was installed more than 100 years ago, so that's why we're replacing it with a new steel main.
As we turn up the road, we're running out of room, we're running out of real estate to be able to install our new main, so we have to actually go in and remove the old 24-inch cast iron main out of the ground to make room for our 30-inch steel.
Cast iron over time gets brittle, the joints leak, and you just have a lot of problems with the ground shifting and breaking the cast iron main.
We've encountered a lot of obstacles the gas main has to navigate around. A lot of larger sewer and water, railroad ties, electric, duct banks, and things of that sort. It can be difficult to take out. It is brittle. We have to break it up and have it shipped off the job. It's definitely not as strong as what we're putting in.
Installing 30-inch pipe, there's not a lot of play, so you kind of have to be creative with how you're going to do everything safely and also productively. It's the biggest job that the company's done in 100+ years. Everybody that comes out here and works with us, we're excited to have them out here and they get to see something that they may never see again. We work safely, we work together. We're really proud of the work we're doing and we're going to keep getting after it.